Hi, welcome to the part 12. So we are looking at some latest questions from Feb 2025. These are all practice questions which will help you prepare for certifications on AG 900, that is Azure Fundamentals. You will get same or similar questions in the exam, or there can be some variations, but focus on the concepts. Very important, focus on the concepts. So this channel is all about helping you with cloud certifications, and latest technological trends. There are 1,000 plus videos on this channel, AWS, Azure, GCP, all of the entry level certifications, intermediate and advanced. All of these are covered here. So go for cloud kernel membership. I always tell people there are a lot of paid content kept there which will help you with preparing for your certifications. And if you have slightly more money, Cloud Ninja, you can go for this, join this one membership, and this one will give access to whatever this guy has, plus advanced professional content, like for whatever advanced certifications around AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, and etc. So let us look at this question. You plan to provision infrastructure as a service. So out of this, which one is infrastructure as a service? So VM, virtual machine. Why? Because see, in VM, what happens? You choose which operating system you want. You want Linux or you want Ubuntu, okay, or Windows, etc. Then time to time, patch upgrades, applying patches you have to do because you get that level of control in infrastructure as a service. But other services, they are not IaaS, they are PaaS services. These are PaaS, PaaS, platform as a service. That means you don't have to manage or scale up, or you don't worry this Azure SQL database. What is the underlying operating system? When do I need to patch it? You don't have to worry. That is PaaS. So which cloud models you deploy? Can you deploy physical servers? Physical servers. Okay. So physical servers, uh, you can do it. You see, private cloud. Okay. Private cloud. What is private cloud? That means you are buying hardware. You are creating your own infrastructure. Like typically banks, State Bank of India, Bank of America, etc. They are not comfortable using public cloud. They don't want to move your customer data in public cloud. So what they do is they create a private cloud. That means they buy infrastructure, etc. So they are setting physical servers, private cloud. But confusing thing is also, can hybrid cloud do that? Yes, boss. What is hybrid cloud? See, hybrid cloud means I have on premises where I have physical data servers or physical servers, and then I have Azure cloud. Okay, but in hybrid cloud on premises, I as a customer, like I have to buy the hardware, I have to set up the physical servers. In Azure, I don't have access to the security complex. The security guards will not allow me to get in to put a physical server. I don't know what are the server configurations, where I have to plug the blades of the server, etc. I don't know all of those things. So the answer in this case is private cloud and hybrid cloud, both. Okay, so you should not choose private cloud only, like option B. This is wrong. You should not choose this. Hybrid cloud only. This is also wrong. Now, see, the problem is public cloud. Public cloud is all that you have is Azure. Okay, they have their own building, own data centers, own security guards. They will not allow you to get in. So how can you go and deploy physical servers? You cannot. You don't have access to that campus itself. Only Bill Gates can access it. Okay, now this question we have to map. Okay, we have to map. So no capital expenditure. There is no capital. That means you don't have to buy infrastructure. You don't have to buy hardware. You don't have to buy network cards. That is public cloud. Everything is taken care by Azure. I don't worry about anything. It is like taking a Uber car. So Uber takes care of everything, providing the driver, filling the gas in the car, or charging the car if it's a Tesla, and then making sure the car is clean, it smells nice. Uh, if you're in India, you don't have to worry about it smells nice because none of the Uber smells nice in India. Okay, none of them. So you have to take a different private car company rental. That those are good cars. They charge more, but they are good cars in India. But in America, I saw they also have luxury cars. Even Tesla, you can uh, get sometimes, or GMC, I saw that is also available. So in India, that premier car uh, is still a basic sedan in India. They put it as premier, but there is nothing premier about it. It is still a sedan, normal sedan. Now, what provides complete control over security? See, I told you that Bank of America, State Bank of India, or any bank in India, Bank of Baroda, etc., or Barclays Bank, whatever, or NatWest Bank in UK, they all want complete control over security. That's why they go for private cloud, complete control. And hybrid cloud, it provides you choice of on-prem or cloud-based resources. You can try to use both in hybrid cloud. So hybrid cloud, you can use both. It's like, some people are bisexual, so it's similar to that. Okay, now let's look at this. A company can extend a private cloud by adding its own physical servers to the public cloud. Can you see? Can you add your own physical servers to public cloud in Azure? Can you go and to the gate of the Azure data center and say, hey, you know what? In the car, I have two servers. Hey, security guard, can you allow me to get in? I want to get in and I want to plug my servers to your network. Can you do it? No, you cannot. They will not allow you to get in. That's why this is no. Can bribes work if you are in developed or not developed, developing countries or underdeveloped countries? Can bribe work? No, it will not work. Why? Because data centers are not managed by government employees. So a bribe may not work in any country. To build a hybrid cloud, you must deploy resources to the public cloud. See, hybrid cloud, what is hybrid cloud? You have on-premises, you have Azure cloud. Okay, you have on-premises cloud and Azure cloud, both. So that is why this statement is true. You have to put resources on public cloud. That is why this should be yes. Okay, and private cloud must be disconnected from the internet. See, this would be no. Just because it is private, that does not mean that no internet access. You have security groups. You can set all of those security protocols, who can access, who cannot access, and etc. So, like it's like you are trying to restrict your partner from talking to few people, their ex. That does not mean you will not buy a phone. They will not have a phone and internet. They will still have it. Okay, you will have other mechanisms to monitor that. If you are that weird, eh, it is a question of being how weird you can be. So you have 50 virtual machines. hosted on 50, sorry, hosted on premises and 50 virtual machines on Azure. So you have on this on premises and then you are on Azure. So 50 year, 50 year on premises virtual machines and Azure virtual machines connect to each other, both talk to each other. So they are both talking to each other. Which type of cloud model is this? This is hybrid, right? As a hybrid, you have both. You have male and female both. So this is hybrid. So let us look at this question. A platform as a service solution hosts web apps. Okay. So PaaS solution that hosts web apps in Azure provides full control of the operating system. See, PaaS solution, like I always tell you, PaaS, you don't have control over operating system. Azure takes care of that. Just like SQL database, web apps, these are all PaaS services. That means you use it, you throw it. You use Uber and you let it go. You are not worried that whether the Uber for the next trip it will have gas or not. You are not worried if the driver took a shower or not. You are not worried if the tires they have been properly inflated or not. Once your ride is over, you don't worry about anything. Okay, that is that is called pass. So if you want to be worried about operating system, that is called infrastructure as a service. So this will be no. Now, PaaS solution that hosts web apps can be provided with additional memory by changing the pricing tier. You can see when you are taking any PaaS solution, they have different ways of payments, different tiers. Okay, so that if you have more money, you can go to the extreme expensive tier, and with each tier, the set of features will be different. You will get more features. Okay, it's like the richer you are, the more features you get. Like Elon Musk, he didn't win anything in the election, but you see the kind of control he has. So being rich is good, man. Try to be rich in your life. It opens a lot more doors for you, and people open the door for you with respect. But then there is nothing that matches satisfaction. If you are satisfied with what you have a peaceful life, you have a good family, there is nothing that can match that. A platform as a service solution that hosts web apps can be configured to automatically scale the number of instances based on demand. That means auto scaling, simple word, can PaaS solutions do auto scaling, or you have to manually go and say, hey, now can you increase your capacity to handle more load? No, you don't have to do anything. PaaS takes care of it. That is a feature why you want to go to PaaS because you are too lazy to manage that. You want some sort of automation in your life. So that is why PaaS is a good solution. In like you are working in a project and go for PaaS solution initially if you don't have money or resources to hire an administrator for each and every thing. Go for PaaS solutions. Uh, that will help you move faster. Like move faster means not climb stairs faster, not that. Okay, move faster means you can deploy your code to production faster, you can build faster, etc. So become a cloud kernel member. Cloud kernel member, lot of questions are there. And if you like uh, the content we post, there is a donation icon, a dollar sign. You can be generous and donate some money that will help us prepare and put more time in these contents. And subscribe because there are 1,000+ videos on this channel. And what are these about? These are about AWS, GCP. and Azure certification. Okay, so stay tuned. We will post many more such parts.